Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find anyone from their phone number in Instagram. So what you need to do first is go to your Instagram account like that. Then after that you have to go to your profile. Then what you need to do is click on this three dot bar icon right in the top corner. Please watch this full video and like this video and subscribe my channel. So after that you have to click on the settings and privacy option right here. Okay, then what you need to do is click on the accounts and center option. Okay, after that here you can see here is an bounce up option. What you need to do is click on the options right here, your informations and permissions. You have to click on it. Then here you can see here is an option that upload contacts. You have to click on the last option right here. Okay, after that you have to turn this option on, so you Instagram can upload your contacts from your phone. That's how you can find the person you have added from your in your phone. Okay, so first you have to save the phone number of that person in your phone, that Instagram can upload it to their algorithm. So after that what you need to do is the click on the search option right here. Then after that you have to click on the search option. Then you need to type the number of the person. Okay, that's how you can find anyone by their phone number. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.